So this me.
Welcome to Cook with Grace Kiswell.
So this we're making a ZOBO drink for this summer. So we have our hibiscus, known as ZOBO leaf. So we have ginger, we have cinnamon, then we have cloves, we have orange, then we have pineapple. So these these are all the ingredients we'll be using to make this ZOBO drink. So let's go into cooking. But first of all, we have to wash the hibiscus. We have to wash it thoroughly before doing other things. Okay, so let's go.
So if you're a lover of homemade food, anything homemade, just know that this page is rightful where you belong. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you love this video. Okay.
Jesus. Oh my God. It's very that my pineapple got
So sweeties, after seeing what happened to my pineapple, it took me 15 more walk to go straight to the mall to get another pineapple. And trust me now, as a lady, once you enter mall, you go see another thing to buy, except you exact money where you want use buy that exact thing where you want buy. I was actually very sad the moment I opened this pineapple, and because of that I had to mistakenly misplaced a whole bunch of gingers that I got from the mall. I had to go and start buying things all over again, and this time even the pineapple I got had already another small issue. This is the reason I don't like buying pineapple. Aside from back home pineapple, this is one of the reasons I don't like buying pineapples. But because of the ZOBO drink we are trying to make, and because we are in summer and we are trying to make summer drinks, so actually I was expecting the pineapple to be sweet, but the outcome, the pineapple no sweet at all, even as it look like that. So I was never impressed with the pineapple outcome. So sweetie, let's continue today's cooking of the ZOBO. So after thoroughly wash the ZOBO, I add the pineapple peel, I add a slice of oranges to give it this touch. I add ginger, I add clove and cinnamon stick. Then add enough water, allow it to cook. Then the remaining skin of the pineapple, which is the flesh itself, so I blended them all and also add it to the ZOBO and allow it to boil thoroughly. So without wasting much of your time, sweetie, let me teach you the story of how I started cooking. The first time I learned how to cook was when I was staying with my daddy's sister, my auntie to be precise. The first time she asked me to make a food, I started crying and she was like, though I was very young, but she was like, so you don't even know how to boil common white rice and the rest of them. Oh my God, that day was a living, I see another side of my auntie. The way she came here, he entered. So she was like, so your parents are actually zufu. Sorry for those of you that don't understand this language. Zufu. When he name or just name bishono. Sorry to speak this language, okay? So she was trying to tell me that my parents just over pamper us, they don't teach us anything. That's what I was trying to speak in Igbo language, that they are just over pampering us, they are not letting us to learn anything. So sweeties, no be small thing, but after said and done, after long thing, she noticed I don't know how to cook. All she did was, okay, henceforth, that since her husband is not around, it's only me and her at home. What happened is, once the husband travel, she will ask me to go to market, get like vegetables, and she get things for soup, and she will ask me to make the soup. See me whenever even near pot before, she will ask me to make the soup, and if I did not make the soup well, she will leave the soup and ask me to finish that soup. So every time once her husband traveled, because he is not staying with us, she will ask me to go to market, get items for soup and make soup. With this, now there my cooking journey start to. As time goes by, I was able to start learning how to cook. Okay, it's actually sad that during that my cooking process, I sustained a lot of injuries, including the ones my auntie gave me, the one I told you about, the scar my auntie gave me. If you've not seen the video, go and listen to that video. I've made the story about how I got this scar that I can never forget. So the cooking was part of it. Let me not bother you with the story. It's a long story, but learning how to cook was part of the scar I sustained from my auntie during that period. So you see, my cooking journey no start today, and immediately when I pick up from cooking, ever since then, I gained this joy in cooking. Anything, afang, name it, because I've stayed with a Calabar woman. That is another story for another day during my school days. So, in fact, my life story is all about sadness, and that is why I am strong today. And who I am today is because of the courage and the advice I had to advise myself that, but I need to be strong and be a better person or a better version of myself. And I look forward to the future and what the good and beautiful future God has in stock for me. I can't wait to get there, and I know when that day comes, I'll be glad to share it everybody with my loved ones, and as in my sweethearts, my social media handle, I may do video for it, but until then see this, let's continue, okay? And let's forget about the past story. But I know one day, someday, I will share the story with you all. So I know all those things are what make me strong today, and they are all what make me who I am today. I am strong today because of what happened in the past, okay, that made me to be strong today. So today I can comfortably beat my chest and say, Grace, you know how to cook. And one thing about me is that whenever I'm sad, whenever I'm going through challenges in life, you call me to come and cook. Oh, my darling, you have done me a great thing. So I can't wait for the day I will make a large portion of food, invite my families to come and join with me, my sweeties, my social media families to come and join and celebrate with me. I can't wait for that day. And I can't wait to give out my food as giveaway to whomever that is close by to me to come and share or eat my food. So that is to tell you how far I can go just for cooking. So ever since then, I love cooking. My auntie was the one that gingered me, motivated me at that young age. I started cooking, and ever since then till that is how Grace became to cook. And I'm a fast learner. As long as you are teaching me anything that has to do with food, teach me now, you will see me tomorrow making that exact food. So to God be the glory. We are going far. We'll go far with God on our side, and with you, my social media families. I know we'll go far. Yeah, I have plenty stories, but they are all sad, so I don't like sharing my sad stories with you. So let's just forget about them and look forward to the future and what the future holds for you and I. So I love you, sweetie, and I hope you'll be trying this Zobo drink. It's so refreshing and very healthy. Love you all, and see you on my next one. Bye bye.